line. Okay, so that is the line that is 3 cm lateral to the midline. One way to estimate that or find the 3 cm lateral line is to feel for the medial edge of his scapula here, and this can define where the 3 cm lateral line is. Okay, or like this. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. The outer shoe line begins at T2. Okay, so if we find where T7 is, okay. The reason I like to start with T7 is because sometimes it's hard to tell which one is T1 from here. So I find T7 and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is T1. I go back to T2 right here. Okay, this is T2, and I go 3 cm lateral, so I'm going straight to the medial border of the scapula, and this will be where his UB41 is. UB41 starts at T2. Okay, and I don't have to do all of these, but so UB40, I'll just do some representative ones. UB41. Okay, is the at T2, UB42 is at T3, and this is the POHU, yeah? Let's see.
You know what we should use is those washable markers that
Yeah,
kids use.
yeah.
Just boom, and then you can wash it off with a cloth.
Okay, so T3, yeah. Okay. Another one that is important is the Shen Tong, which is that T5. Okay, level with the heart. Okay, so if this is T3, go T4, T5, and then at this level right here is going to be the should get up.
So you would follow along the medial.
I'm using that medial border. Yeah, more or less. Yeah. So 5, 8. Sorry. 4. Okay. 5. Okay. Okay. Let me find UB52. I mean, the line is just going to proceed, and it's going to skip T8. I'm going to find UB52 level with the with L2 at the kidneys. Okay. So this is T7. I'm going to go to T8, T9, T10, T11, T12, and then we go to L1, L2. Okay. So this is L2 right here. And, again, if we continue, okay, thank you. If we continue the line right here, this 3 cm line is going to be right here. Okay, thank you. And, you can kind of see, like, this is the paraspinal muscles, this is the height of the paraspinal muscles, and then on the far side, this is where the outer shoe line is. So inner shoe line roughly follows the height of these paraspinal muscles. Outer shoe line is on the outside of it. So again, after UB52, then there's this big skip at UB53 starts at S2. I don't have to do these points, but sacral foramen 2. So we would find this top and bottom of the sacrum. Like S2 would be about here, so this would be UB53, and then UB54 would be at the sacrococcygeal hiatus, 3 cm lateral to the midline, so about here. Okay. Okay. Let me quickly do the UB. I'm sorry. I'm gonna just. Okay. I don't have to expose it. Okay. I'm not gonna expose here, but this is the transverse gluteal fold right here. Okay. If you wanted to find where UB36 was, okay, you would feel the back of the thigh or the hamstrings. So you can feel this, right? This is these are the hamstrings. Okay, and you just try to find the depression between the hamstrings. So this is where UB36 is. It should roughly line up with the center of the back of the knee. Again, it can be tricky using this because you know, sometimes people have their legs turned out this way, and unless you are really sure about where UB40 is, you might like line it up wrong. Okay, but anyway, this is where UB36 is. I'll just mark that. UB36 is going to be right about here. Okay. UB37 is going to be 6 sun down from UB36. So if this whole distance is going to be 14 sun, we take about half this distance. This would be 7 sun, okay, and we go like about 1 sun up, okay, and we feel for the depression between the hamstring muscles at this point. So this is going to be your UB37, the yin men, gate of abundance. Okay, actually, I should over here. I should like fix this up. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so it's going to be about here. Okay. And you can already kind of see, well, maybe you can't see, but the hamstrings, you know, the V of the hamstrings. These are this is biceps femoris, this is semitendinosus. And then it gets harder to see up here, but they kind of come together. And so this should be a little bit more here. Okay, UB37. Then UB38 veers laterally. Okay, that's the one that is 1 sun above UB39. Okay, so it's pretty, I'm sorry. So let's just find UB40, UB39. Okay, so to find UB40, this is in the center of the popliteal crease right here. We feel for the crease of semitendinosus, semimembranosus. Feel for the crease of biceps femoris. Yeah, these are the borders of the popliteal crease, and we find the middle right in here. Okay, so right about there. This is UB40. UB39 is going to be on the lateral side of this crease. So right here, and UB38 is going to be 1 sun above this. Again, you have to be medial to this tendon of biceps femoris, so feel for that. Yeah? So 1 sun above and medial to this tendon here. Okay, so UB36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Okay. All right. That's good.
Didn't you already learn that?